Is it really worth the pain? Waiting in anger, waiting for defeat. Is it really worth the pain? There will come some rain. There will